Counseling and Healing welcomes you all after the celebration of Diwali. Why I'm talking about Diwali? Because Diwali में हमने ऐसे कई messages forward भी किए हैं और receive भी किए हैं. Let the light of knowledge drive away the darkness within. Now what does this mean? और भी है, darkness is just the absence of light. I hope that the light of Diwali be present in your life so that you will be able to escape the darkness of life. Now what is this darkness of life? क्या हम लोग इस सबको बहुत अच्छे messages लग रहे हैं, so we forward these messages on and on and on. But क्या हम really में New Year तक, चलो I am giving you time from Diwali to New Year, are we promising ourselves to remove the darkness within? अब रिमूविंग द डार्कनेस तो तब होगी जब हम मानेंगे कि हमारे अंदर कुछ नेगेटिविटी, कुछ हमारे एटीट्यूड में गड़बड़ है. बट आर वी रियली एक्सेप्टिंग दैट? नो, वी आर जस्ट पॉइंटिंग मिस्टेक्स ऑफ अदर्स रादर देन लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स आवरसेल्फ. कभी हमारे आसपास टॉक्सिक पीपल हैं, कभी सिचुएशंस फेवरेबल नहीं है, सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट अदर्स अदर्स अदर्स. We are becoming the fault-finding radars. And the best slogan is, I am a happy person and I am like this only. It means you are not going to accept what is wrong in you. So ये darkness कहाँ से remove होगी? In fact, the avoidance of responsibility and the difficulty apologizing to people you have hurt are the trademarks of the constant fault finders. Pointing out what bothers you about people only worsens your deep-seated insecurities. या तो point out करते हैं या उसको ignore कर देते हैं. Ignore means you hurt the other people's sentiments. The habit of constantly pointing out people's fault is most likely a reflection of what you have struggled with in childhood. So in this video I am going to tell you about certain mistakes which unintentionally हम करते जाते हैं and we don't realize कि this is the darkness inside us. So अगर आपके अंदर ये fault finding habit आती जा रही है, so you have to work on that. उसके लिए क्या करना है? There are other ways to conquer your insecurities. जैसे मैंने बोला, because of insecurities you are now finding faults in others. तो क्या करें? Start by pointing out the good in people, including the smallest acts of wit and wisdom. Now some clients come and they say, उनके प्रॉब्लम है कि why do we push people away? अब ये क्या बात है कि हम पुश कर देते हैं जैसे ही लगता है कि कोई फ्रेंडशिप बहुत क्लोज आ रही है. And why is this? This is the problem of attachment anxiety and attachment avoidance, because as you feel that a friendship is getting closer, you start pushing away, you start pulling yourself back. और ये distance दूसरे को कितना hurt and confused feel कराता है, your least point. And believe me, कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर anxiety है, because anxiety can affect your behavior. You may withdraw from friends, families, feel unable to work, avoid certain places, avoid certain people. ऐसा नहीं कि ये सारी चीजें एक ही में होंगी, but you can analyze कि आपको प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ रही है. And yes, anxiety does change your behavior. Behavior changes are a significant part of most anxiety disorders. Like sometimes extra emotion, anything in excess is bad. So too much of emotions will also lead to your behavior disorder. उसमें क्या होता है? You feel tired the whole day, आपको लगता है कुछ energy ही नहीं है. So deficiency because of this anxiety is level of iron, vitamin D, B12. Get it checked. आपको पता चल जाएगा कि yes, anxiety is there, and that anxiety is emotional anxiety. Lack of motivation. आपको सोने में तकलीफ होगी, आप इरिटेटेड रहेंगे, फीलिंग ऑफ होपलेसनेस, एब्सेंट माइंडेडनेस, आप चीजें भूलने लग जाएंगे, सर्टन टाइप ऑफ माइग्रेन या हेडेक, इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम होने लगेगी. So the right approach to push away your darkness is either listen to the other person कि मेरे अंदर क्या कमी है, या एनालाइज करिए कि मेरे बिहेवियर की वजह से ये कुछ कुछ चेंजेस मैं देख रहा हूँ. So showing the proper amount of attitude means using the right body language so that the people know what's up. So there are certain tips how you can acquire a well-meaning personality. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. लेकिन हम वो दरवाजे बंद करके रखते हैं because we are not good listeners. We don't want to have others' opinion about us. Knowing yourself, bring positivity in your outlook, read more often and develop new interest. थोड़ा सा comfort zone बढ़ाते जाइए. When you see you are able to adjust with majority people, it means you have increased your wisdom and definitely your personality. Work on your body language, work on your words, work on your communication skill. That is the most important thing in relationship. Any relation, be it your mother, father, your son, your friends, anybody. आपको चाहिए कि मेरी रिलेशनशिप हमेशा हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी रहे विद ट्रू फ्रेंड्स अराउंड, तो आपको अपने जेस्चर्स, टोन्स, वर्ड्स सब पे गौर करना पड़ेगा. सो ब्यूटी तो गॉड गिफ्टेड है. सो वर्क ऑन योर पर्सनैलिटी बिकॉज ब्यूटी गेट्स द अटेंशन बट पर्सनैलिटी गेट्स द हार्ट. So keep in mind, behave with others exactly the way you want them to be. आपके साथ जैसा बिहेवियर आप चाहते हैं वैसे आप बिहेव करने लग जाइए. So simple, आप कभी किसी को हर्ट करेंगे ही नहीं. And if at all, जैसे क्लाइंट्स बोलते हैं कि मैम वो बहुत रूड है, वो बहुत टॉक्सिक है, so let them be rude. You don't respond. And is it possible? Yes, there are certain tricks जो आपको बहुत बैलेंस्ड, बहुत काम रखती हैं. Try to learn that, because if you respond to others' rudeness, it means आप भी वैसे ही हैं. Otherwise, you should have that attitude कि जो rude बोल रहा है उसके पास देने के लिए वो ही है. It is not because of me he is rude. He has that. That is why वो rude है. Right? So just by changing your attitude, your thought process changes and you become a better personality. So we'll be back soon with another such video. Till then, keep on removing the darkness within. Take care. Bye-bye.